Welcome to an incredible journey into the world of nature's deadliest animals. From venomous snakes and silent ocean killers to tiny creatures more dangerous than lion. Today we will explore animals that can kill within short time and uncover the terrifying secrets behind their deadly powers. Watch complete video for details.
Have you ever wondered which animals on Earth can kill a human in just a few seconds? Some are massive predators with incredible strength, while others are tiny creatures carrying deadly venom powerful enough to stop the human body almost instantly. What makes these animals even more terrifying is that many of them live closer to humans than we realize. Some hide deep in forests, some swim silently beneath the ocean, and some can even be found near our homes. Today, we are going to explore the most dangerous animals capable of killing within seconds and understand how nature has turned them into perfect survival machines. When most people think about deadly animals, they imagine lions, sharks, or giant snakes. But surprisingly, the world's deadliest creatures are not always the largest. In fact, some of the smallest animals are far more dangerous because of their venom, speed, or ability to spread deadly diseases. Nature has created extraordinary predators and killers, each equipped with unique weapons for survival. Some use poison, some rely on crushing force, while others attack so quickly that victims have little chance to escape. Let us begin with one of the most feared creatures in the ocean. The box jellyfish. At first glance, it looks almost invisible in the water, peaceful and harmless, but hidden within its tentacles are thousands of microscopic stingers containing one of the most powerful venoms known to science. A single sting can cause extreme pain, heart failure, paralysis, and even death within minutes. Victims often go into shock before they can even swim back to shore. What makes the box jellyfish so dangerous is that swimmers may not even notice it until it is too late. Next comes the inland taipan, often called the world's most venomous snake, found mainly in Australia. This snake carries enough venom in one bite to kill dozens of humans. Its venom attacks the nervous system, blood, and muscles simultaneously. Without immediate treatment, death can occur rapidly. Fortunately, this snake is shy and avoids human contact. But if threatened, it can strike with incredible speed and precision. Now let's move from reptiles to one of Africa's most aggressive animals, the hippopotamus. Most people see hippos as lazy plant-eating animals relaxing in rivers, but they are actually among the deadliest mammals in the world. Hippos are extremely territorial and surprisingly fast, despite their huge size. They can run faster than humans and possess enormous jaws powerful enough to crush bones instantly. Every year, hippos kill hundreds of people in Africa, especially fishermen and villagers living near rivers. Another terrifying predator is the saltwater crocodile. This ancient reptile has remained almost unchanged for millions of years and is considered one's perfect killing machines. Saltwater crocodiles are ambush predators. They remain motionless beneath the water, waiting silently for prey. Once they attack, their speed is explosive. Their bite force is among the strongest ever measured in the animal kingdom. Victims are often dragged underwater in seconds, leaving little chance of survival. The animal kingdom also contains deadly hunters in the oceans. Sharks, especially the great white shark, have terrified humans for decades. Although shark attacks are relatively rare, when they happen, they are often brutal. Great white sharks can detect tiny vibrations and even a drop of blood from long distances. Their speed and power make them apex predators of the sea. A single bite can cause fatal blood loss within minutes. But perhaps the most surprising killer on Earth is the mosquito. Unlike lions or sharks, mosquitoes are tiny and seem harmless, yet they are responsible for more human deaths than any other animal in history. Mosquitoes spread diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, and Zika virus. Millions of people around the world suffer from mosquito-borne diseases every year. In many tropical countries, mosquitoes remain one of the greatest threats to public health. Another silent killer is the cone snail. This beautiful marine snail may look harmless, but it hides a venomous harpoon-like tooth capable of injecting deadly toxins. Some species of cone snails possess venom strong enough to paralyze and kill humans rapidly. There is no specific antidote for certain cone snail venoms, making them extremely dangerous. Moving into the forests, we encounter the black mamba, one of the fastest snakes in the world. Known for its aggression and speed, the black mamba can move rapidly across the ground and strike multiple times in seconds. Its venom is highly neurotoxic, attacking the nervous system and causing respiratory failure. Before antivenom was developed, black mamba bites were almost always fatal. One of the strongest land predators is the tiger. Tigers are stealth hunters capable of silently approaching prey before launching explosive attacks. Their muscular bodies, sharp claws, and powerful jaws allow them to kill large animals quickly. Although tiger attacks on humans are uncommon, injured or old tigers sometimes target humans, especially in regions where forests overlap with villages. Now imagine an animal that does not even need to bite or sting you directly. The poison dart frog is one such creature. These brightly colored frogs carry toxins on their skin powerful enough to stop the heart. Indigenous tribes historically used their toxins on hunting darts, which is how these frogs got their name. Their vivid colors serve as a warning to predators. Stay away or die. Nature has also created deadly creatures in deserts. Scorpions are among the oldest predators on Earth. While most scorpion stings are not fatal, some species such as the deathstalker scorpion possess venom that attacks the nervous system intensely. Severe pain, breathing difficulty, and heart complications can occur rapidly, especially in children. Among mammals, the Cape buffalo deserves mention. Often underestimated, this massive African animal is extremely unpredictable and aggressive when threatened. Hunters call it one of the most dangerous animals in Africa because it charges suddenly and attacks with enormous force. Many experienced hunters have lost their lives to wounded buffalo in the Arctic and icy oceans. Polar bears dominate as apex predators. Unlike many other predators, polar bears sometimes see humans as potential prey. Their immense size, intelligence, and strength make them incredibly dangerous. A single swipe from a polar bear can be fatal instantly. Now let us talk about one of the most horrifying survival strategies in nature: venom that destroys flesh. The stonefish, considered the most venomous fish in the world, hides perfectly among rocks and coral. Stepping on it triggers venomous spines that inject toxins, causing unbearable pain, paralysis, and tissue destruction. In severe cases, victims can die rapidly without medical treatment. Even domestic environments are not always safe from deadly animals. Certain spiders, such as the Sydney funnel web spider, possess venom capable of killing humans quickly. Its venom attacks the nervous system and can cause severe symptoms within minutes. Fortunately, modern antivenom has greatly reduced deaths from these spiders. What makes these animals truly fascinating is that they are not evil. They kill primarily for survival, defense, or hunting. Every deadly adaptation evolved over millions of years through natural selection. Venom, speed, camouflage, powerful jaws, and intelligence are all tools developed for survival in harsh environments. Humans often fear dangerous animals, but in reality, humans are a far greater threat to wildlife. Habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and illegal hunting are driving many species toward extinction. Some of the animals we fear today may disappear forever in the future if conservation efforts fail. Scientists are now studying deadly animals not only for safety but also for medical breakthroughs. Venoms from snakes, spiders, scorpions, and marine animals are being used to develop medicines for pain treatment, heart disease, and neurological disorders. What was once feared as deadly poison may actually save human lives in the future. The animal kingdom is filled with extraordinary creatures capable of incredible feats of survival. Some kill with venom, some with strength, and some by spreading disease. But each animal plays an important role in maintaining ecological balance. Understanding these animals helps us appreciate the complexity of nature and reminds us that humans share this planet with powerful and remarkable life forms. So the next time you think about the deadliest animals on Earth, remember that danger does not always come from giant predators. Sometimes the smallest creatures can be the most lethal. Nature is beautiful, mysterious, and sometimes terrifying, but it is always fascinating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife and science content.